My name is Nityashri and I am here today at AMTEX 2024. I am here at the AceMicromatic Group booth with Mr. Sandeep Kishore, Managing Director of the Solar Group. So I would like to ask you, so what exactly does your company manufacture and which industries do you cater to?
So we manufacture automotive components, primarily machined castings. We also manufacture items for other industry, engineering, defense, etc. Primarily automotive. I started in 1991. I'm a first generation entrepreneur and my first machine came from ACE. I was looking around in the market straight out of an engineering college, and there were certain brands, they were large, more established brands at that time, and they were not catering to a small startup. ACE came forward and I'm glad that they did, because now I have more than 45 of their machines. ACE machines are value for money. They cater very well to their customers, whatever size customer it might be. They run for much longer, their downtime is very less. They hear the customer, they listen to the customer, and if there is any improvement which is required from time to time, they do incorporate those. Over the last 30 years plus, we have seen them innovate and give such lovely machines and at a price point which is affordable. So it all adds up to some kind of profit somewhere.